rose and strawberry pudding, a delightful dessert that promises a burst of floral and refreshing flavors. Stick around for the entire video to master the art of creating this scrumptious treat. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. We'll be using 500 grams of fresh strawberries. Chop them into small pieces. Add them to a large Pyrex bowl. In a heavy-bottomed pan, pour in 2 liters of full-fat milk, and 200 milliliters of rose syrup. You can find the recipe on my channel. Give it a quick stir and bring it to a gentle boil. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of Agar powder. Gelatine powder is also a suitable alternative. Whisk it well, ensuring a smooth integration. Keep whisking to prevent the bottom from burning. Once the milk has risen, it's time to pour it over the chopped strawberries in the Pyrex bowl. Allow it to cool down to room temperature first and then refrigerate. There you have it, an absolutely delicious rose and strawberry pudding. So refreshing and floral, it feels like summer has already arrived. Thank you for joining me again this week. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Let me know where you're watching from this week. Consider subscribing for more delightful recipes. Happy cooking!